It's easy to create your MyWellSpan account. You can follow these simple steps and be able to access your health information anytime, anywhere. To get started on your mobile device, download the WellSpan app from your device's store. Open it and click on MyWellSpan. Or if you're on a desktop computer, open your web browser and type in mywellspan.org. To start the process, tap or click the button Sign Up Now. If you have an activation code, enter the code and other needed information. Or if you do not have an activation code, click Sign Up Online and enter the information about yourself. The information you've entered will be used by a secure third-party system to verify your identity with a few questions. Once your identity is verified, enter a secure verification code that will be sent to your email or text to your phone. You will choose a username and password. Finally, you'll review and agree to the terms of use. Congratulations! You've successfully created your MyWellSpan account. You can now log on with the username and password you created. You're ready to use MyWellSpan to access your health information, make appointments, and communicate with your healthcare provider.